Hey guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. I don't even really know how to tell you what I've done. I bought the world's smallest handbag, which didn't come cheap, and we're gonna have a look at it. Guys, if you are new here, my name is Cassie. I'm a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, well, then you're probably gonna like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Maybe sooner rather than later, okay, with this purchase, but on the whole, never. You'll never find me there. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. So this came up on the runway in February and it was literally the tiniest bag ever. I ordered one. Okay. Gosh, they don't make these things easy. Okay. Okay, listen, part of this video, I'm actually gonna compare this, which came in this little bag. Okay, so this is the La Chiquita, whatever it is, it'll be linked below. Everything will be linked below in case you find out that you love this tiny bag and you need her in your life. So it came in this cute little Jacquemus bag. I can't keep it together. This is just... size comparison. I may actually shed a tear because of how tiny this is. Oh no, okay. I knew it was small. It's so small. I'm gonna cry because of how tiny it is. Oh my god, the tag. The tag is so much bigger than the bag itself. I am dying. I am dead. Okay, I'm perplexed / horrified / oddly in love, okay? Has a tiny J on the front in gold metal hardware. Oh my gosh, does it open? Oh! It has one little snap closure. Oh my god. Just a tiny baby. Oh my gosh. Oh, and obviously it has a crossbody strap. You know, what for? I'm sure if you somehow finesse this, there don't seem to be any holes in it or anything to like adjust. So I think that she's a crossbody and she's a crossbody only. I mean, I can hardly get in it. You know what? My nails aren't helping. Oh god, they've stuffed it. What was there to stuff? What was there to stuff? Just for those people who, when I reviewed this bag, said that it was so tiny and a massive waste of money, shut your mouths, please. Can we just, like, there is quite a size comparison, quite a size difference between these two, okay? In this one, I can comfortably fit cards in there, keys, a little bit of gum, whatever, you know, she holds the basics, okay, for a cute little fancy little night out. This poor child, on the other hand, this shamefully cost me £250. This, I believe, goes for just under 400. I want to say 350, 370, just under 400. But as I said, links will be below. Okay, let's just see what we can get inside. A single solitary high-chew suite. Okay. You know, ooh, we might even have room for two. Ballin'. Does she close? Does she? Sodding. Just two high-chew suites. I don't need to sit here and tell you that you don't buy this bag for practicality reasons. This bag is bought for one of two reasons. Number one, you are a collector of little fashion oddities, or you know that this is in fact a small piece of fashion history because, I mean, it got all of the bitches talking. There are actually 3 reasons. The second reason is that you have a tiny child who would do like a mini little baby flex holding their tiny little Jacquemus mini Le Chiquito. Reason number 3 is just a massive flex. Just to be like, yeah, I paid £250 to carry this tiny little amber goddess. In case that you're still interested in seeing me after this, I'm going to link a review to the bigger sister version of this tiny child right here, in case you want to know all about this bag and how cute it is and see styling on the body. Have an incredible morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. And goodbye from me and this tiny, tiny little Jacquemus bag. Mwah. Bye, guys.